Hi guys. So you've been asking me how do I connect the radios on the table. So it's very basic. Actually, there is not much to know, but if someone don't know how to do it, I will show you. That's what you need if you want to connect radio on the table. That's what you need is AC adapter, which has 12 volts. It's for car radios, 24 volts for trucks and vans. And the most important thing is car radios requires a little bit more amps. So mine one is 6 amps, but it's barely do the thing what you need. So a bit more would be perfect, but this one will do the job, okay? And what I do have is pre-made ISO standard connector, okay? I will talk about them. Basically what you need to know, that the red one always is positive, black one is ground, negative, and the yellow one is also positive with the constant power. Those two, the orange one and the blue one, don't mind to turn on the radio on the table. All you need basically is red and black wire, okay? So if you want to made like I did, like this, standard ISO connector, which most of the radio uses, I simply did like both positives, yellow and red, and negative, okay? And what I got pre-made ISO connector, so I don't need to do every single time I'm planning to film the video. The same I did with speakers, okay? Speakers is also very simple. Most of the time it's written which speaker, front one, left one, and whatever. And one color is for one speaker, so green, white, gray, and it's purple or whatever. So the same I did for speakers. I do have connected one speaker here. If I need, I can switch, I can connect that one or whatever. So I did explain to you a bit about the standard connector, okay? So now I'm gonna explain you about old radios, what I do with old radios connectors. I do have pre-made also, because I already have ISO connector, okay? So what I did is made ISO to the old ones, okay? Same with speakers. I simply connect there, and I do have speakers, the old type speakers for old radios, for vintage radios, and simply a couple positives. I use one, but if needed, sometimes need another positive for backlight, and the ground, okay? I do have a couple more, of course. For some radios I use these, okay, also pre-made. For most of the time, for original radios, if I don't have connector, I have to use these. I simply push them to the pin. It's doing the job. And also have few other ones for Volkswagen, Audi, and they are a bit different, okay? But most of the time there is what you need to connect the radio on the table, okay? So now I'm gonna show you how I'm connect the radio. Okay, so most of the time radios has ISO connector, okay? The standard connector, it's either like this or inside the radio, and mine pre-made one, all I do is simply connect them both with speakers, and that is it. radio is working. And okay, so other ones is vintage radios, very old ones. Okay, they have connectors like this, and always look to the diagrams. It clearly shows which is which. Where is the speaker, where is antenna, where is positive and negative. And but if here is no diagram, here is one small trick. Always remember that negative is always the body, okay, or the body, or the closest one to the corner, or closest one to the body. Okay, so this time we use my pre-made connector. Okay, so the ground one is the nearest to the body, then positive, and the speaker. That's it. Radio is connected. You can put the cassette. And it's working. I hope this video helped you a bit. If you do have any more questions, please let me know and I will try to help you. Thumbs up.